A man is dead following a gun attack on Albert Street in Franklin Town, Kingston, Tuesday morning. The deceased has been identified as Maurice Drummond. Reports are that Drummond went to a business establishment to purchase a phone card. Upon leaving, he was attacked by men traveling on a motorcycle who shot him several times. The attackers escaped following the incident. Students and staff at the Black River High School in St. Elizabeth were sent scampering on Tuesday morning after armed men reportedly invaded the school following an alleged altercation between two students. A police source told Observer Online that the incident happened mid-morning on Tuesday. Two students had a dispute. One left the school compound and went for armed men out of Newtown community, and then they came on the compound, the source said. Observer Online was told that the two students, reportedly boys, are from the same community close to the St. Elizabeth Parish capital of Black River. There were no reports of anyone being hurt or any weapons being discharged. The armed men reportedly fled the compound before police arrived at the school. Police are said to be questioning one of the students who was reportedly involved in the altercation as part of their investigation to identify the armed men. High alert has been activated for 12-year-old Yasafine Hewitt of Constant Spring Road in St. Andrew, who has been missing since Monday, March 4. She is of dark complexion, slim built, and about 160 centimeters tall, or 5 feet 3 inches tall. Reports from the Constant Spring police are that Yasafine was last seen at home about 5 p.m., dressed in burgundy shirt and blue jeans. All efforts to locate her have proven futile. Anyone knowing the whereabouts of Yasafine Hewitt is asked to contact the Constant Spring Police or 119 police emergency number or the nearest police station. A 16-year-old girl was arrested and charged following the stabbing of her 12-year-old relative in Carey Park, Trelawney on Wednesday, February 14. Reports from the Falmouth police are that about 4 p.m., both girls were at home when the accused used a ratchet knife to stab the complainant in the back. The girl fell and the teenager subsequently stabbed her several times in the upper body before fleeing the scene. The police were alerted and the complainant was assisted to hospital where she was admitted. The accused later turned herself in at the Duncans police station where she was charged with wounding with intent. Her court date is being finalized.